How do you find the next $1 million SaaS idea? Because lately, making money from home has becoming a trend. I do it and so can you. And what's the easiest way to do it? With AI. But that doesn't solve our original issue. How exactly do you find that $1 million idea? See, most people overcomplicate making money with AI, not because they don't have ideas, not because they can't code, but because they do nothing with it. Let's be honest, when you were in the shower, you probably had some great app ideas, but you forgot to write it down, or you thought, man, this is a great idea, but I probably can't create this. See, people overthink. They wait. They convince themselves, I'll start next month, or I'll never do it because I'm not talented enough. But next month turns to next year, and meanwhile, someone is already building, launching the app, and securing that bag. I mean, guy literally made an app that helps you risk girls and makes like $1 million off of it. So let me show you exactly how I find profitable solo SaaS app ideas that you can build within a week. And by the end of this video, you have a repeatable process to come up with a SaaS app idea or AI automation idea that people will actually pay you for. Step one is first spotting this entire gold mine of SaaS/automation. Everyone wants the perfect SaaS AI app idea, but they think about it all wrong. They sit around waiting for inspiration, hoping an idea magically appears one day, maybe in the shower. See, the easiest way to find an AI agent idea is simply to live your life. Now, what does this mean? What am I talking about? Am I talking about going out and partying? No, don't overcomplicate it. I'm talking about find things in your life that you would want to be done simpler, that you would want to be automated, that just takes too much energy to do. See, whenever I catch myself doing a stressful, repetitive task that's just plain annoying, I stop and think, man, can AI do this for me? Can an app be made that can just do it for me? And if the answer is yes, I write it down. Now, here's where it gets better. You don't have to use your own problems to begin with. Let's say you're problem free. Well, your friends or your parents, someone else you know, or people just around you have problems in their everyday lives, literally every day. They are probably complaining about it to you and you're probably tired of hearing them complain. So why don't you make an app that can solve their problem? I mean, think about it. Your mom's probably still struggling to buy her favorite limited edition handbag that she can't get a hold of. What if you made an app that made that easier? Just find anyone in your circle who's constantly complaining about something they have to do manually, and congratulations, you got your next great idea. Now here's an example. Let's talk about sponsorship emails. Creators like myself get hundreds of pitches from companies, so like sorting around them, negotiating rates, and sending follow-ups takes forever. It's definitely a huge waste of time. I wish that the deal could just be secured within 1 or 2 emails instead of like 30 email long negotiations. So could I possibly hire someone to do this for me, like an assistant? Yes, and that will probably speed it up. But what if I could handle my emails without spending money on an assistant and just creating an AI agent or some sort of app that can handle it all for me? The answer was yes. So within a week, I built a sponsor email responder that uses GPT to analyze emails, it uses it to draft responses, and it even is able to suggest rates based on past deals with other sponsors. And is that something that I would personally use? Yeah, in fact, I was using it ASAP. So if I get sponsored deals all the time and I can use this, I'm sure other creators could as well. So I could literally turn that into a full-on app. Are you starting to understand the process? Because this actually works. In fact, this very automation is how I landed today's sponsor, Filmora. Filmora's amazing feature where you can generate videos from audio clips is changing the game for podcasts. As entrepreneurs, we love listening to podcasts, whether it be in the shower, in drive to work, or wherever, on Spotify or Apple. But wouldn't a nice video to go with it enhance the experience? That's what Filmora does. If you have a podcast or even thinking about starting one, you can use Filmora's AI to now add video to your words, which will increase engagement, it'll grow a YouTube following, and get more eyes and ears to your podcast. It's very simple. All you have to do is drag and drop your audio into Filmora and then choose from 10 unique visual styles and see your audio come to life in a highly engaging video. And the best part is you can get these long form videos, clip these highlights to post on TikTok or Instagram and go viral. Other platforms such as CapCut and Premiere aren't suited for podcasters, but Filmora is solving this problem. So check the link in the description to use Filmora today. See that? This is why opportunities are everywhere if you know where to look. You just gotta pay attention. Now hold up. Let me stop right there. Before you start building a app or an agent, let's make sure you don't waste your time doing unwanted things. And this is where we get into a series of mistakes. The first one is taking too long to build. You have a great idea, but the execution is painfully slow. That idea fails. And that's a big no-no because I want you guys to be successful. You can take 3 months to build an agent. You can keep adding one more feature to make it perfect. And then someone else drops your idea and it blows up. And trust me, I've had this happen to me, so I know how painful it is. AI moves insanely fast. And this is where 99% of AI developers fail. They spend too long building. So my rule is only build apps or AI agents that you can finish within a month. And this kind of leads to mistake 2, which is over engineering the agent. Again, you don't want to pursue perfection when creating your agent or app. You just need some core features. You don't need all the fancy features, just the core features that'll make it work, and you want to push that into the market as fast as possible. See, most AI app ideas start super simple and are still wildly profitable. For example, the first version of my AI agent that was able to buy items off retail stores was a simple script. No fancy UI, no extra features. In fact, it was just a console application, but it worked. Now, the next mistake is assuming people just find your app. You see, you may have built the perfect AI app. It works and does everything you could possibly imagine. You hit launch and then 0 users. The reason is not because it's a bad app, but because no one knows it exists. And this is why I start marketing before I even finish building. I tweet about my progress. I post on Discord. I post in my school community, which is free, so please join it. I post on YouTube, so that way everyone knows what's going on with my product. So when you actually launch your product, people are waiting to buy it. Just like how you camp out for iPhones before Apple even drops them, it's because everyone knows when the iPhone is actually releasing. It's the same energy. Now, the next step in finding that amazing SaaS app idea and actually, bring it to market is to validate it. You see, you may have an idea, you might be able to build it fast and it's really cool, but does anyone actually care? Most people get this wrong, and this is where 90% of startups fail. They build first, launch later, and then realize nobody wants it. So before I start coding and planning my AI SaaS app, I ask myself 3 questions. Number 1, does this task take up more time than needed? Number 2, do enough people face this problem? Am I the only one with this problem, or do I know at least 3 or 4 other people that have this problem, or a community where, I know this problem exists? If it's just a problem you face, you're cooked. But if businesses, freelancers, or other individuals struggle too, that's a jackpot. And the final question, how much time or money will it save? See, the more pain your app removes, the easier it is to sell. People want less work. Let's look at that sponsor email agent. It saves influencers or creators like me hours every single week. We don't have to manually respond to sponsors or negotiate with them or hire other people to do it. So we're willing to pay for this type of app. So you want to make sure your app idea is saving time, money, and or energy, and boom, there you go. You've got yourself a fully profitable AI app that benefits you, ideally, and the people around you. And if you want to see me use AI to build an app in 24 hours, then you got to watch this video next.